Is your Wi-Fi not connecting with a router from Samsung phone? No worries. Here are the step-by-step solutions to fix the Wi-Fi not connecting problem for your Samsung phone. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Before moving forward, make sure to do the following. Turn on the Wi-Fi scan throttling. Open Settings. Scroll down. Tap Developer Options. Scroll down again. Find out Wi-Fi scan throttling and toggle it on. Still have problems? Try next solution. Solution 1. Check the hardware issue. First of all, make sure to install the Samsung Members app from the Play Store. Open the app. Then tap Diagnostics. After that, sign in with your Samsung ID. If you don't have a Samsung ID, then make sure to create a new account. Then tap Phone Diagnostics. Scroll up. Tap Wi-Fi. Tap while using the app. Here you can see the test result. It's showing normal to me. That means there is no hardware issue. After that, follow these settings. Solution 2. Forget and reconnect the Wi-Fi network. Open Settings, tap Connection, tap Wi-Fi, then tap on the settings icon from the right side of your Wi-Fi network name. Tap Forget at the bottom right corner. Now tap on your Wi-Fi network name again. Enter your Wi-Fi password. Make sure to toggle on the Auto Reconnect. Then tap Connect. If you still have the same problem, follow the next solutions. Solution 3. Change the IP address. Go to Settings again. Tap Connection. Tap Wi-Fi. Then tap on the settings icon from the right side of your Wi-Fi network name. Tap View More from the below. Then tap IP Settings. Select Static. Tap on the Save button below. Solution 4. Reset Wi-Fi settings. Go to Settings. Scroll down. Tap General Management. Scroll down again. Tap Reset. Now tap Reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Then tap Reset Settings. Wait for a while. Check your issue again. So this is how you can fix the Wi-Fi not connecting problem for your Samsung phone. Hope you find this video useful. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you have anything to ask, please write them in the comments box below. Thanks for watching.